Hi guys, thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to discuss about the materials, appearances, colors and finishes of the bodies. So right now, as you can see, we have two different solid bodies, as you can see here into the feature manager. So we have two different bodies, and if we are gonna talk about the materials, so materials is right now not specific because we did not choose any material till now. So if you want to choose the material, so what you can do is you can right click on it and then you can choose whatever the material you want for your bodies. So suppose there are some common materials are here, otherwise you can just go into the configure materials and then you can choose whatever the material you want to have. Suppose I want to have bras, so I'm just gonna click on the bras. So in this way the both of bodies are gonna convert it into the bras. So now I'm gonna go into the tab menus of evaluate and let's see the mass properties of bras. So the of these two parts, the mass properties, so you can see here the mass is 24 pound for these two parts, and then here is the volume, surface area, center of the mass, it is the density here and everything. So right now if I want to change the material from brass to something else, so again I'm gonna go right click on that and let's say I want to change it to the rubber. Let's change into the rubber and then again let's go into the tab menu. And if you don't have evaluate tab here, so what you can do is you can just right click, you can bring your cursor anywhere on these tabs, right click on that, and then here you can go into the tabs. And right now as you can see, evaluate is checked. So if you want to bring any of the tab here, or if you can't see evaluate here, you can just check here. Like right now I'm gonna uncheck it, so evaluate is gone. So if I'm gonna right click on that, I'm gonna go into the tabs again. I want to have evaluate back, so I need to check it. So in this way I can go back into the evaluate. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then I'm gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you would find a link of my course where I have over 10 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every command in a very detailed video. Or if you have any projects or assignments, so feel free to write me on my email, which is given into the description of this video. Thank you. So again, right now we change the material from brass to rubber. So I'm gonna go into the evaluate again, and then I'm gonna go into the mass properties. And then I am really concerned about the mass, and look at that, it's gonna change from almost 25 pounds to almost 3 pounds, which is 2.86 exactly. And all the surface area, center of mass, density, all the informations here you can see. Okay, so although our material is rubber, so that's why it looks black, but what if I don't want, what if I don't like the appearance, the black appearance? So what I want to do is, what I can do is I can go here into the option which is appearances, scenes and descales. I can click on that, and then here I can go into the appearances, and then I can go into the metals, suppose aluminium or gold. So right now our material is rubber, no matter, but if I don't like the appearance, so what I can do is I can give appearance of any other thing. Suppose I want to go into the metal and I want to have appearance of polished gold, so what I need to do is I just need to hold it and drag it to my own part, and then I need to select I want to use it for the only for the face or for any extruded side or for the whole body. So I want to have this for the whole body. So in this way I can change the color or appearance of my part. Or there is another option here, you can see into the display manager. If I want to go into the appearances, you can see these are the two options, and the glossy rubber, this is the part, and the another one is polished gold, and all the informations are here. Or if you want to see, if you want to change the color, so added appearance, you can go into the appearances, and if you want to change the color, you can select the color, whatever the color you want, no matter. But this, no matter the material is rubber, but keep in mind this is not gonna change the mass properties, it's just gonna change the appearance. Or if you want to change it to the green, or if you want to change it to the red, so you can just click the green check mark. Okay, so or if you want to change the texture or finishing, again you can go into the appearances, and then you can go into the organic somewhere. Let's go into the organic, and then into the organic we can choose water, sky, liquid. Let's choose the wood. I'm gonna go into the wood, and suppose I want to have the texture or finishing of a wood again for the whole body. So look at that. In this way I can just change the texture of finishing of my part uh, into the wooden finishing. So no matter whatever the material you have, and again I'm repeating this, keep in mind it's not gonna change the mesh properties, it's gonna only change the texture or appearances or only finishes. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you.